In today's digital age, there is a growing demand for quality written content. From business reports and academic papers to marketing materials and personal blogs, written communication plays a crucial role in various aspects of our lives. However, not everyone has the time or skills to ensure their written work is error-free and polished. This is where proofreading services come into play. And if you have a keen eye for detail and a strong command of the English language, you can tap into this demand and make up to $2,000 per month by offering your proofreading expertise. Proofreading is a valuable service that involves reviewing written content for grammatical, spelling, punctuation, and formatting errors, as well as ensuring clarity and coherence. It goes beyond a simple spell check and involves a thorough examination of the text to enhance its overall quality. With the increasing volume of content being produced online, there is a constant need for individuals who can provide such services. To become a successful proofreader, you need to have a solid grasp of grammar, spelling, and punctuation rules. Additionally, you should be able to identify and correct formatting issues and maintain consistency in the style of the content you are reviewing. If your skills in these areas are not up to par, consider taking online courses or obtaining relevant certifications to improve your proficiency. Before you can attract clients, it's essential to have a portfolio that showcases your proofreading abilities. You can create a portfolio by proofreading sample text, which can include blog posts, academic essays, or other documents. This portfolio will serve as a testament to your skills and help potential clients gauge your proficiency. Once you have a portfolio, it's time to market your proofreading services. You can create a website or use freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to promote your skills and attract clients. Utilize social media and professional networks to expand your reach and make potential clients aware of your offerings. Determine how much you will charge for your proofreading services. Rates can vary based on factors like your experience, the type of content, and the complexity of the work. Research the market to understand the going rates for proofreading services and set competitive prices. Building relationships within the writing and editing community can be beneficial for your proofreading career. Collaborate with writers, editors, and content creators who may need your services or refer clients to you. Word-of-mouth referrals and positive testimonials can significantly impact your success. Consistently delivering high-quality work is crucial for building a strong reputation as a proofreader. Your attention to detail, commitment to meeting deadlines, and ability to communicate with clients effectively will be key factors in retaining and attracting new clients. As the demand for proofreading services continues to grow, consider expanding your skill set by learning about different types of content and specialized areas such as technical or medical writing. This will allow you to diversify your clientele and potentially increase your income.